Hi, in this video we're going to presume you know what conjunctions are. They join clauses together. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the actual conjunctions. So we should recognise that and is a conjunction, or is a conjunction, and but is a conjunction. Let's look at the kind of clauses we've got. We'll say blue equals a main clause. Ted was late for school. The main clause makes sense by itself. He forgot his books. That clause is just as important, isn't it? You can order the fish. There's a main clause. The sausages. Very simple, but makes sense by itself. Peter prefers football, and Paul prefers rugby. This is the trick with coordinating conjunctions. We use them to join together two pieces of information which have got just as much importance as each other. Right, on this section we're going to look at subordinating conjunctions. First of all, let's pick out the conjunctions that we recognise. Words like because, although, and since. These are conjunctions. Let's see why they are subordinating conjunctions. Well, let's look at the main clauses in these sentences. He forgot his books. I ordered sausages. I can't play rugby. What are we left with? Because Ted was late for school, although I like fish since the accident. These bits don't make sense by themselves. They're not as important as the main clause. So the conjunctions that start these subordinate clauses are subordinating. They take some importance away from that clause because what you're meant to look at and remember is the main clause. Let's see if we can read a very short paragraph and pick out the different types of conjunctions in it. So let's start from up here. Sarah was tall and good at running. Although she was quick, she hadn't won any medals. Since she started training more, she is getting faster. She could win a gold medal or a silver medal. I didn't pick out all the conjunctions there. I'm going to read it again, see if I can pick out any different ones. Sarah was tall and good at running. Although she was quick, she hadn't won any medals. Since she started training more, she is getting faster. She could win a gold medal or a silver medal. Let's look at the conjunctions I've selected. And. Sarah was tall, good at running, and good at running. Or, win a gold medal or a silver medal. These conjunctions must be coordinating. Let's look at the other ones. Although she was quick, that doesn't make any sense by itself. It's a subordinate clause, which means we're looking at a subordinating conjunction. I'll just abbreviate it to save space here. A subconj. And we've got another one down here. Since she started training more. Again, that bit of the sentence just doesn't make sense by itself. It's subordinate. So I must have a subordinating conjunction. And once again, I will just abbreviate that. It's a subconj.